Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Fairy Tale Tarot. This is by Lisa Hunt, published by US Game Systems, retailing for $23.95 in the US. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. As always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And if Lisa Hunt or this artwork looks familiar, she is the artist behind the Ghost Spirits Tarot, or the Ghosts and Spirits Tarot, the Winged Enchantment Oracle, and then most recently we have the Pastoral Tarot, and I believe there's some other ones too that I am missing at the moment, but I will link those in the eye for you if you want to check those out too. All right, here we go. When we hear the words "once upon a time," we are magically transported to a faraway land of enchantment, a timeless realm of wondrous fantasies and infinite possibilities. Presenting mystical tales from around the world, Fairy Tale Tarot invites you to embrace the universal wisdom shared by enduring characters and timeless archetypes. Their struggles, successes, and growth mirror our own experiences and teach us profound life lessons. When we see ourselves in the cards, we establish a greater awareness of ourselves. It includes 78 cards and a 156-page illustrated guidebook. All right, I am excited. I love fairy tales. Oh, cute. There's the back of the cards. I've already unwrapped them, so you don't have to see me struggle. Here's the guidebook. We have a table of contents here with the introduction, major and minor, card reflections, motif of 3 spread, keys to the kingdom spread, and then the About Lisa. It goes into themes about the fairy tales. Then we have the information and meanings of each of the cards. And I do want to take a look at the spreads here in the back. So the motif of 3 spread here. Then we have the keys to the kingdom spread. Nice. And then about. We'll dive deeper with the guidebook after the card flip through, and that way we can kind of see what to expect. Here's the back of the card. Really pretty. I love the addition of the keys. That ivy. Slight gloss. I would not call it a high gloss, and it is that US Games Systems cardstock. I like it. Not too thick, not too thin, right in that sweet spot, and it snaps back. All right, let's get into it. Lisa Hunt's artwork is just beautiful. And to me, it is a bit of nostalgia. It reminds me of storybooks that I read as a kid. Cute. So we have innocence instead of fool, a number at the top. No borders. The sorceress instead of high priestess. Just stunning. Fairy godmother. Oh, I love. Wise old man. Mentor. Cute. Courage. Entrapment. Interesting. Instead of the Hanged Man. Transformation. Temptation. Deception. Interesting. Stunning artwork. Absolutely beautiful. Redemption. Aww. Happily ever after. All right. It does feel very nostalgic and very magical. I love that you can see faces in the background. So many different things to see in each card. This looks like Thumbelina. I could be wrong. Oh. Wow. That would be terrifying. It's so lush and just filled with life. Faces in the mountainside. Gorgeous. Oh, Princess and the Pea. That story always frustrated me. I don't know why. Cute. 3 little pigs. Oh, was this Goldilocks? All right, let's see how it shuffles. Nice. Ooh, like butter. And overhand is nice too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, the Star. Gorgeous. All right, the story is the Star Maiden, culture, Native American, keywords, inspiration, freedom, greater insight. Love this. So that way, if you weren't familiar with the imagery, it gives you the information right away. Symbols and meaning. The Star Maiden flies into the center of the tree, connecting the spirit world with the earthly plane, merging the different layers of consciousness. A spiral emanates from her chest, expressing her desire to be liberated from the confinement of limited ego-driven thinking. The drying leaves are being released from the branches and flow freely. The full moon symbolizes birth, death, and resurrection. As we dream, fragments of our waking life enter the unconscious terrain, playing a significant role as we journey inward. The faces in the trees represent the collective unconscious and our ability to access ancient knowledge while we dream. It is important to be receptive to dream messages as a means of gaining greater insight and wisdom about our past, present, and future. By becoming more aware of our inner dream life, we can become more proactive in our waking lives, actualizing those hopes and dreams that reflect our deepest desires. I love this. I love that you get the different fairy tales from across the world, different cultures, and it's just so beautifully done. It's so gorgeous. It's stunning. I absolutely adore Lisa Hunt's artwork because it's just so expressive and expansive, and it feels like each one is a portal into a different world. So this is beautiful. If you are somebody who loves fairy tales, or this just seems like nostalgia and comfort to you, highly recommend checking out this deck. It feels so good in the hands. The guidebook and the images are accessible for those intuitive hits. I love that there was only a few titles changed, but the changes make sense with the original. So yeah, beautifully done. I am excited to get to know this more. I now hand it over to you. Are you excited about this deck? Did you know about it prior? Did you pre-order it? What are your thoughts? Please let me know all of them down in the comments section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Thank you so much to US Game Systems again for sending this my way. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.